Welcome to the vibrant world of Mediterranean quinoa salad, a colorful and nutritious delight that's as easy to make as it is delicious. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this salad a health-conscious choice. Quinoa, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, red onion, Kalamata olives, and fresh parsley. For the dressing, we combine extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, dried oregano, salt, and pepper to elevate the flavors of this Mediterranean masterpiece. Cooking the quinoa to perfection is the first step. Fluffy, tender, and ready to absorb all the vibrant colors and flavors of the salad. While the quinoa simmers, prepare a symphony of fresh vegetables and parsley, each adding their own touch of nutrition and crunch to the salad. The dressing, a harmonious blend of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and oregano, is the secret behind the Mediterranean flavors that will dance on your taste buds. Combine the cooled quinoa with the colorful array of vegetables, olives, and parsley, creating a palette of freshness and nutrition in every bite. Gently toss the salad with the flavorful dressing, ensuring each ingredient is coated in the essence of Mediterranean goodness. Chill or serve at room temperature, allowing the flavors to mingle and create a symphony of taste that celebrates the freshness of each ingredient. Why is this salad a nutritional powerhouse? Quinoa offers complete protein, while the vegetables, olive oil, and fresh herbs provide essential nutrients and healthy fats. With its vibrant colors, fresh ingredients, and a burst of flavors, this Mediterranean quinoa salad is a culinary journey that nourishes both body and soul. Customize this salad with your favorite ingredients, making it a versatile and personalized dish that suits your taste and nutritional preferences. Experience the joy of creating a wholesome and appetizing Mediterranean quinoa salad that not only delights your palate, but also fuels your body with goodness. Join the ranks of health-conscious individuals and food enthusiasts who embrace the Mediterranean quinoa salad for its health benefits and culinary charm. From its vibrant hues to its nutrient-packed goodness, this salad is a testament to the beauty and flavor that a healthy meal can offer. Let the Mediterranean quinoa salad be your culinary companion on a journey towards wellness and gastronomic satisfaction. Embrace the simplicity and richness of flavors in this salad, a true reflection of the Mediterranean's culinary heritage and nutritional wisdom. Celebrate the art of healthy eating with a bowl of Mediterranean quinoa salad, where each spoonful is a symphony of taste and well-being. Indulge in the goodness of fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors with every bite of this Mediterranean quinoa salad, a culinary masterpiece in a bowl. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through the Mediterranean quinoa salad, where health, taste, and joy come together in every mouthful.